Hello kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing chapter 3 multiplication and division of class 5. It's very interesting chapter. Get started. Few questions which you have done earlier in your class. So you can try these sums yourself. So now see, next is multiplication. Multiplication, you know how to multiply the numbers. So here we are doing multiplication of large numbers. So we have learned that multiplication is repeated addition. The number to be multiplied is the multiplicand and the number we are multiplying with is the multiplier, and the result is called the product of multiplication. Now property 1. So on multiplying two numbers, the product remains the same even if the order of the numbers is changed. Like 2 into 3, 6. And 3 into 2, 6. There is no change in the result. You are changing the order of the numbers. So, this property is said to be commutative property. You can see one example is given here. 25 into 5, 125. और अगर आप 5 into 25 करेंगे वो भी 125 होगा. So, this property is the commutative property. Okay, it's very important. So, now see property 2, the product of three numbers also remains the same even if the order of numbers is changed. Now we are talking about three numbers. अगर हम तीन numbers लेते हैं, three numbers लेते हैं, उसमें भी same property means we can change the order. We can do first and third number first and then second number से multiply कर दो, या फिर आप first and second को पहले कर रहे हैं फिर third से कर दो. The result would be same. So this property is said to be associative property of multiplication. So one example given here, 42 into 13 bracket into 20 or 42 into 20 into 13. So or 20 into 13 into 42, जैसे मर्जी multiply कर दो, answer would be same 10,920. I hope it's clear to you. So now see next property 3. When a number is multiplied by 0, जब हम 0 से multiply करते हैं, तो you know very well result is always 0. Like 99 into 0 or 999 into 0, number कुछ भी हो, result would be 0. So now property 4, when a number is multiplied by 1, अगर आप 1 से multiply करते हैं, तो result would be same. The product is the number itself. वही number आएगा. आप 2 into 1, 2. 100 into 100, number remains same. So this is the multiplicative property of 1. Okay. So for example, 12,759 multiplied by 1, we are getting 12,759. Right. Now you can see example. Multiply 3,462 by 42 and write the product. अब देखते हैं कैसे करेंगे multiply. पहले हम this bigger number को ऊपर लिख देंगे 3,462 और smaller number 42 down. This is multiplicand. First number is multiplicand and the second number is multiplier. So now multiply. अब now listen how to do, how to proceed. कैसे चलना है हमें पीछे से चलना है ones digit. First आप 2 से multiply करेंगे ones digit से. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, and then 2 4s are 8, plus 1 9, 2 3s are 6. So this one you are getting by 2. Now you will multiply by 4. जो अब 10th digit पे है number, उससे आप multiply करेंगे. So you have to write first here 0. Okay. Then start multiplication with 4. You are getting this one. So now you know very well what to do. You have to do addition. So now add all the numbers column wise. So this is the product, right? So it's very interesting, you know very well. Now we are coming to exercise 3.1. So see question number 1, filling the blanks. So what you do, the first part, 93,597 into dash equal to 0. As I told you, जब हम किसी भी number को 0 से multiply करेंगे तो result would be 0. So A part answer is 0. Similarly, these are very simple. Like B part you can see, B part में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, number को 0 से multiply कर रहे हैं, तो result would be 0. Right? So now come to second question. Multiply the following and write the product in words. पहले आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है नंबर्स को. यू नो वेरी वेल हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई. लाइक ए पार्ट 4853 into 7. So कैसे करेंगे? You know very well. 4, 8, 5, 3 multiply by 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 here. 7 5s are 35. 37. 7 8s are 56. Plus 3 59. Then 5 here. 7 4s are 28. Plus 5 33. So answer is 33,907. So you know very well. You can do remaining parts. So now see, the next one is multiplication of a number by 10, 100 and 1000 and their multiples. So it's very easy. जब भी हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, एक सिंपल वे है. आप अगर 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो एक जीरो एंड में लगा देंगे. अगर आप 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो आप 2 zeros put at the end of the result. So see, it's given here 0.1. To multiply a number by 10, 20, 30 up to 90, we multiply the number by 1 to 3. हम simple number से multiply करेंगे, zero को हम consider अभी नहीं करेंगे, respectively, and add 1 zero to the right of the number. Like example A given here, 287 into 10. So 2870. Put 0 at the back. See B part 3287 into 30. So what to do? इस नंबर को हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया और 10 की जीरो अलग से लगा देंगे. So answer is here 98,610. Right? It's very easy. Now point 2. To multiply a number by 100, 200, 300 up to 900. अगर हमें इन नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, so what to do? We multiply the number by 1 to 3. Simple number से multiply करेंगे and then add 2 zeros to the right of the number. और end में 2 zeros we have to put. See, A part 175 into 100. So 175 into 1 is 175. 20, right? Then B part 829 into 800. So what to do? You have to multiply by 8. 829 into 8. हम 829 और 8 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे and then put 2 zeros at the back, right? Now third point, to multiply a number by 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000, we multiply the number by same way, multiply number से करेंगे and then put 3 zeros at the back. So and add the 3 zeros to the right of the number. See, 128 into 1000, so 128 and 3 zeros. Then 3,557 into 4,000. So what to do? 3,557 को हम 4 से multiply करेंगे and then we add zeros at the end. So this is the result. It's very interesting. I hope it's clear to you. Now we are coming to exercise 3.1, question number 1, like filling the blanks. A part 68 into dash equals to 6800. 60 को किससे multiply करेंगे? 6800 आए, 20 means 100. So these are very simple. You can try on your own. Now question number 2, multiply the following. Same like A part 178 into 50. So what to do? 178 into 5. What to do? Just multiply 178 by 5. What will you get? 5 8s are 40, 5 7s are 35, plus 4 39, 5 1s are 5, plus 3 8, and this 0 of 10. So answer is 8900. I hope it's clear to you. It's very interesting. You can enjoy these questions. Okay. Now we are coming to multiplication of large numbers. अभी तो हमने small numbers किए, अब हम big numbers की बात करेंगे. So it's very easy, interesting, no need to worry. So see example, multiply 1,26,925 by 438. So here we have to multiply by 438. 400 plus means 438 means 400 plus 30 plus 8. So we multiply the given number by 400, by 30 and by 8 and then add all the products. So see how. First we will write the numbers according to column. So we have written it and then write multiplier 438. Now first multiply by 8. As I told you, we will start from ones digit. So 8 से start करेंगे. So what you will get? You will get this result. Now come to number 3. It is tens digit. So आप एक add 0 करेंगे. You will write 1 0. Now multiply with 3. So you will get the second line. Now multiply by 4. अब 4 जो है 100 place पर है. So you will write 2 zeros at the end and then now start multiplication. You will multiply it. So they have shown us first multiply by 8 and then multiply by 30 and then multiply by 400. So this is the result. It's very easy. I hope it's clear to you. Okay? Okay. So next is exercise 3.3 based on these questions. Now first question, multiply each of the following. So A part, multiply by 62. The given number multiply by 62. So what to do? First multiply by 2, then put 0 at the back and then multiply by 6. So you can try these questions. Similarly, second question also you can do. Now here we have some experimental learning NVK, related to our practical life. You can read it and then you can enjoy it. See, Mr. Peter is a chef of Trident Hotels. He makes different types of food for his guests. However, today if he is confused, help him. So for 18 people it is given ingredients. So he will do this activity. He will mix all the ingredients and then you can see what to do. Now there is one NEP experimental learning here. You can see over here, Mr. Peter is a chef of Trident Hotels. He makes different types of food for the guests. However, today he is confused. Help him. Recipe for fruit squash. So this is for 18 people. This ingredients given, these all are given for 18 people. So he is mixing all the ingredients and then putting the ice cubes. So it's very interesting. So you can enjoy it, you can read it and try it. So now we are talking about word problems on multiplication. So example here, the shopkeeper bought 65 computers to sell in the market. If the cost of a computer is rupees 23,154, find the amount that he had to pay for all computers. Listen, he has to buy 65 computers. It means he has to pay more money and more money means more means multiplication. जब भी हमें कुछ ज़्यादा चाहिए तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Multiply. So you will write cost of a computer. It is given rupees 23,154 and number of computers 65. So multiply. You know very well how to multiply. So answer is this total amount. So it's very interesting. Similarly, we are coming to exercise 3.4. Some word problems over here. Like question number 1. In a factory, 2,35,790 toys are produced daily. So how many toys will be made in 24 working days? So what will you do? We multiply. For 1 day, number of toys produced, this one. For 24 days, this multiply by 24. So like this, we have some question over here. You can try these questions. Like fifth question, you can see the cost of a bicycle is rupees 564. What is the cost of 285 bicycles? अगर आपको ज़्यादा cycles purchase करनी है तो आपको money, you have to pay money more or less. ज़्यादा pay करना पड़ेगा more and more means multiply. So how you will get it? Cost of 285 bicycles multiply 564 by 285. Similarly, few questions over here. You can try on your own. Now we are coming to division. So division is what? When we divide something like हम घर में केक लेके आते हैं, सब में divide करते हैं. That is the division. Equal distribution. So an equal distribution of a given quantity is called division. The number to be divided is called the dividend, and the number which divides the dividend is called the divisor, and the answer is called the quotient, and the number we are left with at the end is called the remainder. Like here we have 93,545 divide by 15. So this is dividend, 15 is divisor. जो result आएगा वो बन जाएगा quotient, जो बचेगा number that is remainder. So you can see how we can divide it by 15. 15 6 हमेशा हम यहाँ छोटा number लेते हैं. Okay, we will write here smaller number like 93 है तो 93 से छोटा number कौन सा आएगा? 90. 15 6 90. फिर आप माइनस करोगे इसको 35, 15 to the 30, फिर आप यहाँ 30 लिखोगे, then subtract it, you are getting 5, then you will take the next digit, 54 becomes, then 15 3 are 45, then again you will subtract it, so 9, then you will take the next number 5, 95, then 15 6 are 90, so 5 बच जाएगा remainder. So like this is the division you have done earlier. So we are revising this. With this example here, revise these two main rules about division. Keep in mind, dividend equals to divisor into quotient when remainder is 0. अगर remainder 0 है तो आप यहाँ छोड़ देंगे dividend equal to divisor into quotient. But अगर remainder is not 0, कुछ number है, तो वो क्या आएगा आपके पास? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder when remainder is not 0. It's very easy, you have done earlier also. So now here some fun with maths, some questions given here, some activity given here, you can try on your own. So now we are talking about division properties, like we talked about multiplication properties, हमने पढ़ा था commutative, associative, multiply by 0, multiply by 1, ऐसे हम division के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So see, number 1, when number is divided by 1, अगर आप किसी भी number को 1 से divide करते हैं, like 2 divide by 1, 10 divide by 1, 15 divide by 1, 100 divide by 1, so answer is the same number. So when number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. For example, 725 divided by 1, it is 725. 1312 divided by 1, it is 1312. So same number. Second point, when a number except 0 is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. अगर हम number को अपने उसी number से divide कर देते हैं, same number को, तो answer would be 1. Like they have given one example here, 4974 को उन्होंने 4974 से ही divide कर दिया है, that is 1 only. Same here, 729 divided by 729, that is 1. आप किसी भी number को उससे ही divide करोगे, answer would be 1. Now, third point, when 0 is divided by any number, अगर हम 0 को किसी number से, मतलब 0 से नहीं करेंगे, 0 से हम कभी भी किसी number को divide नहीं कर सकते, because that is not defined, वो defined ही नहीं है. अगर हम 0 को किसी भी number से divide करेंगे, that would be 0. 0 divided by 2, 0. 0 divided by 100, 0. 0 divided by 9, 0. 0 को हम किसी भी number से divide करेंगे, you will get only 0. So, I have told you this property, this rule, divisor into quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. So, this has a special name. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? This is the division algorithm. So, this algorithm is very useful while checking division. Suppose आपने division कर दिया, but you are confused कि मेरा answer wrong है या correct है, what to do? So, then you can take the help of this one. You can check your answer. So, see how we are doing. The next is division by 1000. To divide a number by 1000, we simply remove the last 3 digits to get the quotient. The last 3 digits form the remainder. See, for example, 5637 को हमने 1000 से divide करना है, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप जो last 3 digits हैं इनको अलग कर दोगे, separate कर दोगे. The first is 5, so 5 is the quotient and 637 is the remainder, right? So what is divisor here? Divisor is 1000 here. Dividend is 5637 and quotient is 5 and the remainder is 637. Right, I hope I am clear to you. So now we are coming to exercise 3.5. First question, filling the blanks. As I told you, A part same number 9359 को हम 9059 से ही डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो आंसर वुड बी 1. B part नंबर को हम 1 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो आंसर वुड बी नंबर itself. C part 0 divided by any number, answer would be 0 only. Then here same number, answer would be 1. Here 0 divided by a number, answer would be 0. And here dash divided by 35 equals to 1. तो 35 को हम किससे डिवाइड करें कि आंसर वुड बी 1. तो 35 only. So like this. So same here. You can try these questions. So now division of larger numbers. Now we are talking about larger numbers. So division by 3-digit numbers. अब हम divide किससे करेंगे? 3-digit numbers से. So see example here. Divide 29,69,350 by 235, and then check your answer also. So no need to worry. Right? As we write in division, डिविडेंड को अंदर लिखेंगे, डिवाइडेड को बाहर. 235 से डिवाइड करना है तो आप पहले 3 डिजिट्स चूज करेंगे. फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट्स 296. इट मींस 235 into 1. अब 1 पे जाएगा ये 235. देन सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. देन यू विल टेक नेक्स्ट डिजिट, इट बिकम 619. फिर आप चेक करेंगे अपना, मल्टीप्लाई 235 into 2 या 235 into 3 like this. So you are getting remainder is 125. अब we are checking our answer whether it's correct or wrong. हमारे पास क्वेश्चन भी आ गया है, रिमाइंडर भी है. So we know dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we are checking the answer. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We are just substituting the values. 235 into 12,635 plus 125. आप इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. You are getting this one plus 125. So you are getting 29,69,350 same dividend. Okay, so it means our answer is correct. So quotient is this one and remainder is 125. Right? So now we are coming to exercise 3.6. The first question, divide and check your answer. Okay. And the second question also, divide and check your answer. So you can try on your own. Now we are talking about word problems on division. For example, a gardener had 9,42,609 apples. So these apples were packed in the boxes of 175 each to be sold, and the remaining were kept for the household. How many boxes were needed and how many apples were kept for household? So, solution, total number of apples 9,42,609. Number of apples in each box 175. हर एक box में 175 apples pack करने हैं. It means we have to divide this total into 175, 175, 175. तो आप क्या कर देंगे division here? Number of boxes 9,42,609 divided by 175, that is 5,386, and the remainder is 59. It means 59 apples बच गए, और this one boxes we are getting. So total number of boxes are 5,386 and 59 apples were left for the household. Now we are coming to exercise 3.7. Some questions here. So see, like the first question, the cost of 216 mobile phones is rupees 11,72,880. Find the cost of one mobile phone. So we have to find the cost of one phone. One means less and less means division. So आप क्या कर देंगे? Total cost divide by 216. So like this, you can try these questions. So now we have some MCQs over here. Like the first one, product of 639 and 830. You know how to multiply. Now question number 2, product of this number by 10. तो 10 से है तो you will add one more zero. यहाँ पे 3 zeros already given है तो एक zero और लगा देंगे, means 4 zeros at the last. So B is the answer. Third question, product of this number into 0, 0 से multiply करेंगे तो answer would be 0. So A part is the answer. So like this. Fourth question, quotient of this divide by 100. So 100 से divide करेंगे means 2 zeros को आप remove कर देंगे numbers में से पीछे से, so you will get 63910. Okay. Then fifth one, quotient of this divide by 5. You can find, you can do division. So like this. So enjoy this division and multiplication and stay connected with us to the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.